Hello everyone, let's dive into the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM, specifically the 32GB kit with two 16GB sticks running at 6000 MHz with a CL30 latency. This memory is designed for Intel XMP and is ICUE compatible, and this particular model comes in a sleek white finish. First impressions are always important, and the Vengeance RGB DDR5 doesn't disappoint. The aesthetic is striking, with 10 individually addressable RGB LEDs per module. The panoramic light bar ensures that the lighting is vibrant and visible from any angle inside your case. If you're building a rig with a focus on aesthetics, this RAM will definitely contribute to that visual appeal. Beyond the looks, performance is where this RAM truly shines. The 6000 MHz speed and CL30 latency offer a noticeable improvement in system responsiveness and overall performance, especially in memory-intensive tasks like video editing, gaming, and content creation. The high-frequency memory chips are tightly screened, which translates to faster processing and smoother multitasking. One of the standout features is the onboard voltage regulation. This allows for easier and more stable overclocking compared to previous generations that relied solely on motherboard control. With Corsair's ICUE software, users can fine-tune the voltage to achieve optimal performance and stability. Speaking of ICUE, the software integration is seamless. It provides a user-friendly interface for customizing the RGB lighting with dozens of preset profiles, where you can create your own unique lighting schemes. ICUE also allows for real-time frequency monitoring and voltage adjustments, giving you complete control over your memory's performance. The custom Intel XMP 3.0 profiles are another valuable addition. These profiles can be customized and saved via ICUE, allowing you to tailor the memory's performance to specific applications or tasks. This level of customization ensures that you're getting the most out of your RAM, whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running other demanding applications. Compatibility is also a key consideration. This Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 kit is specifically designed for Intel 600 and 700 series motherboards, ensuring optimal performance and stability. The custom PCB design further enhances signal quality, contributing to the overall reliability of the memory. In terms of specifications, the CMH32GX5M2B6W model features a latency of 30-36-36-76 and operates at a voltage of 1.4 V. These specifications are crucial for achieving the advertised performance, and Corsair has ensured that these modules meet those standards. Overall, the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM is a top-tier memory kit that offers a compelling combination of performance, aesthetics, and features. The dynamic RGB lighting, high-speed performance, onboard voltage regulation, and ICE integration make it a standout choice for anyone looking to upgrade their system's memory. While it may come at a premium price, the investment is well worth it for those who demand the best in terms of performance and visual appeal. If you're building a new gaming rig or upgrading your existing system, the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.